stinging resignation letter to the government, to Theresa May, saying you are too sensitive about Brexit criticism. And he has called the legislation, the European Union Withdrawal Bill, the worst legislation or not. 0345 60 60 973. It's 3:15.
This is LBC.
At the Co-op, Smirnoff Red Label Vodka, Gordon's London Dry Gin, Bell's Original and Captain Morgan's Spiced are just £13 each. That's the drinks sorted for your New Year party. New Year is coming together at the Co-op. All 70 centilitres, participating stores only, subject to availability. Please drink responsibly. Offer ends 3rd of January 2018.
At Honda, when we have one good idea, we keep going until we find another one. It could be forward collision warning if you get too close, or lane departure warning if you wander left or right. Some ideas give you more Honda for your money, like up to £1,000 test drive incentive and 5 years complimentary servicing. Discover these and even more great offers at your nearest participating dealer before the 31st of January. Terms and conditions apply. Honda, the power of dreams.
It's the ironic sale, so let's make life easy. Clean up with this Bosch dishwasher. With room for 14 place settings, it's mighty enough to take on the whole family. And Bosch Eco-Silence technology means it's as quiet as a whisper. It's now only £449.99, saving you £30. For great savings, visit us in-store or online at euronics.co.uk. The Euronics sale. It's on now.
Who's Off helps you to easily manage your staff leave, holiday and sickness, no matter what your company size. Start your free trial today at who'soff.com.
Save up to 50% in the Homebase £40 million clearance. Thousands of products are priced to clear across lighting, heating, power tools and more. But hurry, only while stocks last. Homebase. Always low prices.
It's a wonderful idea, really, to offer up a spare chair for older people who always eat on their own.
For those special Sunday roasts.